Hi to all. In today's session, we will see about inland resources. Fresh water is having a PPT of around less than zero point 0.5. Brackish water is having a PPT of around zero point 0.5 to 30. There are two ecosystems. One is lentic, other is lotic. Lentic will be a stagnant or still water. Lotic is a flowing water. The vertebrate fauna in freshwater in case of world vertebrate diversity is 25%. According to Nelson 2006, there are 515 families and 27,977. Among it, 11,952 species of freshwater origin. Freshwater lakes and rivers is just only 1% of Earth's surface and having less than 0.01% of its water. This is most important, remember it. Major number of species diversity, it will increase from poles to tropic. So the diversity is more in the tropics. Scientific name of Arctic char is Salvulus alpinus. In the Paleoarctic region, species diversity is poor. Southeast Asia, South America and Africa is having the most freshwater fishes. Some are not having described. The not elsewhere included category, 45% freshwater fish is there, 7% freshwater mollusk is there, 6% crustacean is there. In Indian fish fauna, there are two categories. One is chondrocytes, other is ostracocytes. Under the chondrocytes, 131 species, under 67 genera, 28 families and 10 orders in the Indian region. In the ostracocytes, 2,415 species belonging to 92 genera and 226 families and 30 orders. This order is endemic to India. Among the monotypic genera of fishes, 128 genera are there. It is contributing 13.2%. Most important on here is to remember Indian fish population is contributing 11.72% of species. This has been asked in some previous papers also. So please remember it. Remember the family or order's name. These questions they might ask. Cyprinids family is Cyprinidae. Catfish family is Bagridae, Siluridae, Skilbidae. Clupets is Clupidae. Mulnuts is Mugilidae. Featherback is Nototheridae. Lotus is Scobitidae. Eels is Mastochembalidae. Glassfish is Chantidae. Gobies is Scobidae. In world, the main channel river length is around 2,69,000 km. Highest density of rivers is found in South America, least in Oceania. In case of India, the rivers and canals are maximum in Odisha. Second place is Andhra. Third is Karnataka. Fourth is Tamil Nadu. Fifth is West Bengal. Sixth is Kerala. Seventh is Uttar Pradesh. Eighth is Gujarat. Ninth is Maharashtra. 10th is Rajasthan. Madhya Pradesh is 11th. Then here we have seen the longest river. The first longest river in world is Nile, Egypt. Second is Amazon in Brazil. In Indian context, if we see, 25th is Brahmaputra, 26th is Indus, 36th is Ganges. Remember this. Reservoirs. Reservoirs are more in Asia. Second place is North America. In case of Asia, it is more in China. Most small water bodies are present in South Africa. Largest reservoir in world based on surface area is Olcha, Ghana. Second is Smallwood Reservoir, Canada. Largest reservoir in volume basis Lake Kariba, Zambia. Bratsk Reservoir in Russia. The deepest lake is Baikal. Second is Tanzania. Swamps, marshes and other wetlands are more in USSR. This is most important, remember it. Landlocked waters examples are Caspian Sea and Aral Sea. These are most important. How much major fishing areas are present in world? Answer is 27. Among it, inland fishing areas are 8, marine are 19. among the inland fishing area, you have to remember this 2-digit number. Like for Africa it is 1, North America is 2, South America is 3, Asia 4, Europe 5, Oceania 6, former USSR is 7, Antarctica is 8. 19 major fishing areas in the marine. Here you will see some trick to remember it. If you remember the trick, you can easily remember this 19 major fishing area. There are actually 2 digits are there. As in case, the first digit is 2, 3, 4. It is Atlantic. You can see on here, the first digit is 2, 3 and 4. Here we can see Atlantic, Atlantic, Atlantic. So you can easily remember 2, 3 and 4 is Atlantic. If the first digit is 2, it is North. You can see on here, first digit is 2, it is North. The first digit is 4, it is South. You can see on here, first digit is 4, here it is South. If the second digit is 1, it is West. Second digit is 7, it is East. You can see here the second digit is 1, it is West. Second digit is 7, it is East. So remember this table, you can easily remember everything on here. The next table, you can see the first digit is 5, it is Indian. You can also see on here, first digit is 5, it is Indian. The first digit is 6 or 7, it is Pacific. You can see on here, first digit is 6 and here it is 7, it is Pacific. First digit is 6, it is North. See on here, first digit is 6, it is North. The first digit is 8, it is South. Here it is 8, it is South. Second digit is 1, it is West. See on here, second digit is 1, means it is West. Second digit is 7, it is East. Here it is 7, it is East. So by remembering this table and this short tricks, you can easily remember this 19 major fishing areas. As on whole, we will see it. As on whole, first digit is 2, 3 and 4 is Atlantic, 5 is Indian, 6 and 7 is Pacific, first digit is 2 and 6 is North, 4 and 8 is South, second digit 1 is West, second digit 7 is East. These are some exceptions you have to remember, like if it is like 18, it is Arctic, 37 it is Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea, 48 is Antarctic Ocean, 58 is Antarctic and Southern Indian Ocean, 88 is Antarctic Pacific Ocean. This is the easiest way to remember the 19 major fishing areas. Try to remember it. These are the probable questions to be asked. Some of the important fishes. Ayu, it's a sweet fish. Scientific name is Plecoglocus altivelis. Walleye is Tisostedion vitrium. Lake whitefish is Corygonus clupiformis. Walking catfish Clarius batrachus. Channel catfish is Ictalaris punctatus. This is most important in some previous papers also. Among freshwater, what is dominant is in Asia is cyprinids. Remember it. Among freshwater, dominant group is cyprinids. Second is loach. Third is guppies.